Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a matchstick doll, a substitute for the more complicated doll for the dollhouse. Don't forget to check the description box for the materials. For this project, we only need 4 pieces of matchstick for each doll. Take 2 matchsticks and cut each one of them to around 20 centimeters long. This will be the doll's legs. Cut one of the ends of each stick to an angle. Take one of the matchsticks and apply glue on the side. Then glue the legs to the torso, making sure that the tip is facing the body. Next, take the remaining matchstick and cut this to two 15mm long arms. Again, make an angle on one of the ends. Add glue to the arms and attach this to the torso. Then let the glue completely dry. Once the glue is dry, you can now add the dress. I am going to use this dark purple crochet yarn to make the skirt. Add glue on the legs and wrap the yarn around until the waist area. You can make the skirt long or short, it is up to you. Once you reach the waist area, you can cut the yarn. For the blouse, I am going to use this light purple yarn. I am going to start wrapping the yarn around one of the arms. Also, I already applied glue behind the arms. Now, continue doing this until you reach the armpit area. From the armpit, bring the yarn across to the other armpit and keep on wrapping it until the body is covered. Cross the yarn again and start wrapping the other arm until you get the correct length. Then, cut the excess yarn and glue the end of the sleeve. For the head, you can use a nude or white yarn. Don't forget to add glue first before wrapping the yarn. If you think the neck is longer, then just cut a bit of it. When you wrap the head, try not to go all the way back to the neck area. Just keep on wrapping the head until you form a small ball. For the hair, I am going to use this yellow yarn and I simply separated the strand. Start adding hair above the forehead, going all the way to the back. Then cut the hair to the length that you want. I used a red colored band to make the shoes. And also I didn't put any details on the face, but you can add it if you want. So here's our Matchstick miniature dolls. I also made the male version of the doll. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for another Timeless Treasure Roombox project. Bye bye and see you next time.